our school. Our school have different majors in junior high school. We have 9 different majors, that is automotive, beauty care, CSS, EPAS, FBS, cookery, small carpentry and dressmaking, and plumbing.
Interviewing some students here in Binsats about their experiences.
What is the best thing or memorable experience in your major?
Sa pinaka-memorabling experience sa mga major na way ka na. Gawin magtudlo ang mga masayer ka. Workable sila sa mga una. Bayi kayo sa magtudlo dyan. Gina-emphasize niya ang parang butang.
What is the best thing or memorable experience in your major?
Siguro ang memorable na na-experience ko sa major ay yung lagi kami nagkakamali, paulit-ulit yung mga ginagawa namin at lagi kami natutusok ng mga karayom sa makina.
I choose dressmaking.
Pinili ko ang dressmaking dahil alam kong makakatulong ito sa akin balang araw na magkaroon ng magandang trabaho at mas ma-improve ko ang skills ko sa pagtatahi at pag-design.
What is the best thing or memorable experience in your major?
Kana mag-quiz mi nga 5 minutes lang amo study nga. Hasta usually student.
Why did you choose FBS major?
Pili na ko ang FBS na major na ako kay pinaka-na-taste na curious jud ko about na nga major na dagan pud nagaingon nga nindot lagi daw na nga major kay dagan jud ka makatunan like na mag-mix of drinks nga kanang kana sa fine dining nga anak ko. Maong napili na ko nga major.
Thank you.
Why did you choose major in cookery? From my point of view, I choose cookery as my major for the reason of I want to learn so many dishes and how to prepare various of foods, and that's all.
What is the best thing experience in your major?
The best thing I experienced from my point of view is me and my friends are happily doing the activities given by our teacher.
So what are you waiting for? Enroll now in Binsat.